Hi guys, this is Farm Boy CJ and we got a train coming this way. I don't know why the signals aren't going down, but there's one coming. There it goes. There goes the railroad crossings. They're going down. Oh, he's going slow, it looks like. Wait, why does he not have his... The fuck? He don't have his ditch lights on. There he goes. Yeah, he's got his ditch lights on now. Union Pacific on that one. Fuck yeah! Hell yeah! Heck yeah! We had a Norfolk Southern and a Union Pacific on it. Heck yeah! Oh, that was an awesome catch. It's a mixed freight train. I wonder if there's a DPU on it. Maybe. I'm hoping there's a DPU on it, maybe. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. I don't know, we're about to find out. Nope, there's not. That's okay. This is Farm Boy CJ and we got a train that just came. A Norfolk Southern and a Union Pacific. That was a good catch.